Tired of users seeing or changing things they shouldn't in your Jira project? Here is exactly how to lock down permissions in under 2 minutes. No more guessing which menu hides the access controls or worrying you might accidentally break something. We will open your Jira project, find the access settings, and change any user's role in just a few clicks. Let us go. Start by logging into your Jira instance. This is your main dashboard, the place where you see all your recent activity and projects. It is the home base for everything we are about to do. Now, navigate to the project you want to manage. Look on the left side panel for your list of projects. Just click on the name of the project where you need to adjust permissions. I usually keep my most used projects pinned up top, but you can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of them. Once you are inside that project, look for the 3 dots next to the project's name. These 3 little dots are your best friend for accessing project settings. They are usually right up near the top of the page, beside the project name and the star for favoriting. From that menu, select Space Settings. This opens the main configuration area for your project. Think of this as the control room, where you can tweak almost everything about how the project behaves, from its name to its permissions. In my experience, this is one of the most overlooked spots in Jira, but it is where all the real power lives. In the Settings area, find and click Access in the left sidebar. It is usually listed under a section like People or Permissions. This takes you directly to the User Management screen. Here you will see a list of users and their current roles. This is a helpful overview. You can see exactly who is working on this project and what level of access they currently have. It shows their name, their email, and their role in a clean list. Click the drop-down next to a user to see available roles. Each user has a drop-down menu showing their current role. Give it a click. Now you can choose from the available roles. You have 3 main options: Guest, Member, or Viewer. Guest is perfect for outside collaborators who only need limited access. Member is the standard role for team members who need to create and edit items. Viewer is read-only access, ideal for stakeholders who just need to check on progress without making any changes. And here is the really important part. Each role has a specific set of permissions tied to it, so you do not have to worry about accidentally giving someone too much or too little control. Just click the role you want for that user, and it saves automatically. Jira handles the update behind the scenes, so there's no separate save button to find. It is that smooth. Repeat the process for any other users you need to adjust. Go through the list one by one. Maybe you have a new intern who needs to be a viewer, or a client who should be demoted to guest now that the project is wrapping up. Take a moment to review each person. Double-check that the roles updated correctly. It is always a good idea to confirm your changes took effect. Just look at each user's role in the list again and make sure it shows the new selection. You are all set. Close the Settings panel. You have now locked down your project's permissions exactly how you want them. That whole process took maybe a minute and a half. Next time you need to adjust who can see or do what, you will know exactly where to go and how to make it happen without any headaches.